Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a weekly objective for your Sunsama workspace and your Sunsama tasks in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the Sunsama app. Let me do it on my desktop computer, log into my account, and let me navigate to the home section in the top left here in the main menu. So to access the objectives, you will need to click into this button here to the right on the right hand side, objective, and here you can navigate through your weekly objectives by clicking into these left and right buttons here. So for example, I have created a weekly objective for the previous week from February 23rd to March 1st. So let me create a weekly objective for the next week starting March 2nd. To do that, click into this button here. Describe your objective like, I don't know, complete 4 tasks, just for the sake of this tutorial, and then you may customize that weekly objective. You may assign a context or a channel by clicking into this button. I will go with this one here, important, from the personal context. And then you may also mark the weekly objective as complete, like you do with tasks by clicking to the checkmark button. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.